Friends, it is Melissa with Junk and Craft Treasures on behalf of the Essential Stencil page. It is a 6 by 6. 6 by 6. We will paint this entire thing white, I think. Stop and think about it for a second, y'all. Have our checkerboard pattern. So all I'm doing, I don't know if y'all caught that, I'm holding on to the squares that I'm not stenciling, and then that way I can move and not move them as I'm stenciling. And I don't want to stick my fingers necessarily in that black. All right. A little tip for you. If you do a dark background like this and you're gonna put down a transfer and you don't necessarily want to see that, you can add a little bit of white paint over that one area. So that is what I'm gonna do real quick. A little bit of white, right? Look how cute that is, guys. So now I want to add some more color. So we're going to add some orange butterflies. Right here. One right here. So then to finish it up, guys, y'all know me, I got to edge in my frame part. Can't just leave it sitting like that. So then we'll just come down here, bring in a little bit of that distressing. All right, guys, so there's the edges done. I don't know if y'all can see with the edges. I think that's a super cute piece. Have a fantastic weekend, guys. Bye.